In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix the OE error code on your LG washing machine. The OE error means your washer is unable to drain water, usually due to a kinked drain hose or clogged drain pump filter. First, check behind the washer to make sure the drain hose isn't bent or blocked. If you find a clog or kink, remove it and run a spin cycle to see if the error is resolved. If the hose is clear, test the drain pump by running a spin-only cycle. Press the power button to turn on the washer, select high spin speed, and press start. Listen for a humming sound, which means the drain pump motor is working. If you hear it, the pump is fine, but the filter may be clogged. Clean the drain pump filter and remove any debris. Next, run a tub clean cycle. Sometimes excessive suds can trigger the OE error by creating air pockets, preventing proper drainage. Reduce the amount of detergent you use and run a tub clean cycle to clear any buildup. Once it's done, start a new wash cycle to check if the issue is fixed. If the OE error code appears again, your washer may need professional repair. Contact LG's 24/7 chat support for assistance.